habits, you know, run in the highway. But as long as they're doing their job, I don't
This
bother.
is Meika's bar.
Neither than everyone in the world.
Guys, we go to Capitos bar. Capitos Shara. Capitos. From Meikos. We use strike because our car it's not choking. Tricycle. Long time I not use tricycle, not take tricycle.
No, my dad has tricycle, right? That's why you can use it before last week, right?
Right. So dark here.
I don't know why you have rain right now in Philippines.
I don't know.
It's only January.
Yes, we not expected rain today. Even we not take umbrella.
Ayan po, pasok dyan.
Не Jollibee.
Ayan kuya, oh. Yan lang, dyan sa may Jollibee lang. Sa may
Yes,
Jollibee.
back side of Jollibee.
Sa may backside lang ng Jollibee.
Yes, and the right.
It's already here.
Yeah.
It's already here.
Yes, we can stop here. It's okay. Capito Barbers, Capito Bar. Okay, Shaira can go outside. Ah, open now. Okay, let's go. Helmet here. It's barber shop, Capito Barber. Capito Sports Bar. Hi. Бильярд.
We see it here in Pampanga.
This is Pampangan food, Shaira.
Yes, same with
Famous.
in Pampanga.
In Pampanga. А вот name
Sisig.
Sisig. This is Sisig. Okay. Sisig.
This world has a line. Heaven knows how I'll be there. Cause this angel is away from me. You can be and me so weak. Or should I be her ways and be the man for all these nights?
A little bit have rain. A little bit. It's okay. Car near.
Not there.
He park car and talk with girls or what? We are already in Mabalacat city near McDonald's because Shaira want to go to McDonald's. Where Shaira? Shaira, you want again McDonald's, even you been in the two bars, but you want again in McDonald's. What? McDonald's Mabalacat. Shaira know many people from McDonald's. What you want, Shaira?
This
McFlo?
Ice coffee.
Ah, okay, okay.
What do you want?
Ah,
Counter
for
or
me,
Gcash?
Gcash, yes.
Hi everyone, we just finished being in party and I just little bit want some cold Coke float and we've been here in McDonald's. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.